Okay, this video is called Is Nonstick Cookware a Joke? And in my opinion, it is, yes. When you heat it up at higher temperatures, the coating starts to break down and it's aerosolized, and canaries in the kitchen will often die, okay? So if it's doing that to the canary, it's probably not too good for you. I'll show you some additional information about problems with it. It's been shown to have toxicity to the pancreas, toxicity to the liver, toxicity to other organ systems. Fluoride in general is a toxin. It's a halogen. All the halogens, they kill stuff, okay? You use chlorine to sanitize stuff. Fluoride also, iodine also, bromine also to sanitize pools, okay? So it's not something you voluntarily want to ingest. There's no need at all for F- fluoride in the human body. And really, if you're not cooking with oils and you're not cooking with butter, why do you need nonstick cookware? For example, I just cook starches. I cook them all just by boiling them. It's pretty easy. But it's good to be aware of this because, it's a harmful thing and you accumulate it over time. There's plenty more articles about that. I'm not going to go into all the articles. I'll just show you another quick paper here from Consumer Reports. It's a little bit interesting. Well, first of all, there is the paper of this about the pancreas. So PFOA, which is a type of PFAS, perfluoroalkylated substance, is toxic to pancreas cells. It causes apoptosis, death of pancreatic beta cells. Those are the ones that make insulin. So it'll increase your risk of diabetes. All right. And here's an article in Consumer Reports where companies who were making nonstick cookware would say that they'd claim it was non-toxic, but when they analyze it more closely, it often did contain PFOA or Teflon or something else that was felt to be, heavily fluorinated and toxic. So bottom line is you don't need this stuff if you're not going to cook with oils, I think. I don't use this stuff ever. Just so you're aware of it. Leave it at that.